Okay, so this next one, a tool holder. This can be done several different ways. Let's see here. I'm going to start building from the bottom up on this one. Yeah, okay. So this is also English. So file, new, standard part. So I'm going to pick on the XZ plane. I don't know why this rotates like that. It always bugs me. I don't like that. It's not like that. To properly read that. Don't know why it bothers me. Don't know. It does. Okay, and this we're gonna have basically 2.24 by 3.78. .24. And we got a couple cuts in here, right? One here and one here. So let's put a rectangle on here. Just gonna draw this line. That one over here. Do trim. Okay. Now we've got 1 inch over for this. We've got 1.14. And then we've got 1 inch here. And we got 0.54 deep. And we've got 0.76 deep. Okay. Whoa. For some reason that, so see how that popped that out here? To fix that, I'm going to hit collinear. Make this line collinear with that line. There we go. All right. Now, it's 2 inches high. Totally 2 inches high. So let's finish this and extrude up 2 inches. All right. Now we have a couple chamfers on here. And we have this break here. I'm going to draw this break in. Okay. So I'm going to put a sketch plane here. Draw a line down here somewhere. I'm just going to pull it out. It'll be trimmed. And we have 0.74 from the bottom. So let's put a dimension there, 0.74. Okay. And then this 30-degree angle starts. Well, we got 1.12 and 0.74, so that's going to be what? 1.86? 6, 7, 8, yeah. 1.86. So I'm going to draw a line. Just pick a point. Come down to here. And we'll put a dimension from this point to here. 1.86. And then we'll put an angle on here. Well, let me do this. Let me finish this out. Take a line from here to here and there. Trim this out. And put an angle on here of 30 degrees. 30 right there. 30 degrees. Okay, and then this distance is 0.74, correct? Is that still on there? 0.733, 0.74. I thought I put it on there. I guess not. Okay, and that'll cut that out. So finish sketch, extrusion, pick that, do a cut through all. Okay. Now we have a chamfer right here, a 45-degree chamfer, 0.74. All right. So I'm just going to use the chamfer command. Go chamfer, and we'll do edges. Well, distance is 0.74. 45, distance, edges is right here. So, okay. So we got that. Now we have this guy here. And I can do the chamfer, probably, maybe what? What would the distance be? 2.24. I'm just going to draw it on there. Just weird math I don't want to deal with. So I'm going to put a sketch plane on this plane right here and draw a triangle. Okay. Give it a 45-degree angle. Make sure this line is collinear. Collinear with that. Okay. This one too. Just double check. Okay, we're good. And then we got a distance right here at 0.5. So we'll put a distance in here of 0.5 from here to here. All right. And then we'll just finish the sketch, and I'm going to cut this, extrude. Do a cut through all. Okay. All right, so then we got that much. The only thing we got to put left in here is this hole, which is a 0.625 diameter, and the depth. See that little symbol there, that little letter T with an arrowhead on the bottom of it? The depth is 1.25. So we're going to put a circle here. You know what, I'm going to use the hole command. Get out of there. Because then if it's dimensioned later, it'll show that in the dimension, the depth. So we're just going to go a simple hole. No counterbore. Distance. Okay, 0.625 is the diameter. Let me put, we'll have to find it. Down here, we'll just write it in 0.625. And the depth is 1.25. 1.25. Okay. There's also different things that we can do. Like we can look for different, well, that's when we get into threading. And we'll just use a regular drill point. We can do flat and just make it realistic. So make sure I got this right. 0.625, 1.25. And it's 0.76 from the right and 0.62 from the bottom. So we'll put the hole right here. And we're 0.76 from the right edge. 0.76. And 0.62 from the bottom. 0.62. And then enter, and we've got our hole. And that is the part. And it's called the tool holder. Save as tool holder. All right.